Hi! In this short video, we're going to discuss ways within Food Pantry Helper that you can use our barcode scanning feature for client pickups. To use this feature, you'll need a scanner that can read PDF 417 scans. To get started, select Client Household Tracking and click the barcode hyperlink to the far right of the client you'd like to input. If you don't have a barcode system in place, you can right-click and save the included image in this page to use as your own barcode system. You can add this barcode to tags or ID cards. If you do use your own barcode creation software, the Client Scan Code line will also help with creating your own PDF 417 barcode. As with most features in Food Pantry Helper, you can integrate the data into any other platform by clicking Export Clients to Excel. This will export a list of your clients and their client scan codes. This feature requires that you go into each client's barcode page at least once to generate the barcode. Once your client has a designated barcode, they can now use this barcode when arriving for a pickup. To facilitate a barcode scan, you must click Client Pickup Scan from the bottom of Client View, as this will activate a screen which allows for data input through barcode scan. Once the software registers that a barcode has been scanned, it will bring you directly to that client pickups screen, where you can easily input their pickup by clicking Create New Pickup. Using this feature saves you time, as it automatically recognizes each client by using the barcode as an ID. Be sure to consult your Food Pantry Helper plan page by clicking Features to determine which services are available under your subscription.